Here's a little life hack I'm about to try out. Always looked at these ramps on the back of the dovetail here of our trailer. Thought, this would be good, some car ramps. Get some good clearance under there. Gonna change the transmission filter and fluid. I'm gonna film this first and I'll let you know how it goes. Yeah, this may work out pretty good. Got me a cardboard creeper under there. Got my drain pan ready. Got a workbench right there. Tons of room to work under there. Well, I got the pan off. This is a 2500 series. You're gonna see a lot of videos on there on the 1500 series saying you can't get the pan off unless you push up the exhaust or drop the exhaust. But on the 2500s, there's very few videos out there, but there's plenty of room on them to drop the pan. You don't even have to finagle the filter out or anything. Fluid looks a little bit brown, but I've seen far worse, and the magnet doesn't have a whole lot of furry on it. Actually pretty good shape. But I'm gonna clean all the gaskets up and everything. Really just alright, as you can see, men, there's plenty of room to work underneath there, but I'm over here now at the workbench part of the genuine hillbilly truck ramp set up. Got my genuine GM rubber gasket. Got the pan all cleaned up. Yeah, I really didn't do this for the transmission. I just thought I'd film a couple little things. People like to see what we're doing. We're goofing off. But looks like the track's gonna be pretty good to ride this weekend. We'll be in the 70s. And we'll be out there probably Friday getting everything set up. I don't know if Vince is going to have a class. He usually has a group class on Friday. If he does, I'll let you know and I'll make sure he posts. Thanks for watching, guys.